Hi, I'm Dr. Emma Warry. I'm a Clinical Associate Professor of Veterinary Oncology in the Small Animal Clinical Sciences Department.
And I'm Jennifer Gauntt. I am the Director of the CVMBS Communications Office. We are CVMBS Leadership and Communication in Action, and we are going to talk about the conflict management and dialogue skill set of mindfulness.
Whether you're overwhelmed by your workload, your personal life, or notifications from technology we surround ourselves with, there are a lot of things that distract us from the people, places, and things that are immediately in front of us, particularly at work. When these things happen, it not only affects us, but the people around us. The frustration or stress we may feel may lead to conflict with our supervisors or our colleagues.
These kinds of conflicts can often be traced back to ineffective communication, poor listening skills, not thinking about things from another person's perspective, or feeling unvalued. In all of these cases, mindfulness can help.
Mindfulness asks you to focus on the present. It is a way of directing attention to become more aware of our emotions, beliefs, and actions on purpose in the present moment and non-judgmentally.
Mindfulness is often associated with meditation, but there are other ways to practice it. The best way to practice mindfulness is to be intentionally aware of what's going on around you and within you. Striving to be consciously present in what you're doing while you're doing it can look like focusing on one task at a time, refocusing on the task, person, or conversation at hand when you feel your mind wandering, disconnecting from your phone, computer, or other devices when you're interacting with others so that you don't get distracted, setting reminders to take a break or a mindful breath, or blocking out unscheduled times for yourself.
Sometimes conflicts can happen because of how we interpret interactions or when we don't think about the effect our words may have on others. These conflicts can result from Zoom meeting fatigue, getting distracted by an email while a colleague is confiding in you, making a joke that offends a colleague, or interpreting a supervisor's bad mood as something you've done. In these cases, use frustrations as opportunities to reflect before reacting. Think about your response to a situation and how someone may interpret that response. During difficult conversations, listen to what the other person is saying and attempt to understand their point of view. And cultivate humility. Humility and mindfulness are about accepting yourself as you are, being open to listening and learning from others, and being appreciative of how others have helped you.
Mindfulness can be easily incorporated into your meetings by beginning meetings by setting intentions or by asking how you can improve your department or unit, banning unnecessary devices from meetings when possible, having a dedicated note taker who will circulate notes afterward, or by giving everyone an opportunity to speak uninterrupted.
Engaging in meaningful conflict is important and necessary. Practicing mindfulness in how we respond to conflict allows us to communicate more compassionately, manage our frustrations, and hopefully avoid many of the common pitfalls that lead to job dissatisfaction.